Good morning, students. In our last class, we have learned about some networking concepts about what is computer network. And today, we will continue with this chapter. I will revise for you about computer network. What is computer network? It is defined as a group of computers and other peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. And after that, we have learned some advantages of networking. It is efficient use of storage media, preserve information, reduction in hardware cost, efficiency, quickest document delivery. And we have learned some networking components like network card, networking cable, modem, hubs and switches. Now, today we will continue with this chapter and our topic is types of network. Okay, open page number 10. What are the types of network? Depending on the geographical area covered by a network, there are various types of network used worldwide, which are as follows. First, networking PAN. Okay, personal area network. First type of network is PAN. PAN, personal area network. PAN is a computer network that is mainly created for an individuals. It is used for communication among devices such as laptop, mobile phones, PDA or smartphones. Personal area network can either be wired or wireless. PAN generally covers a range of less than 1 meter, about 30 feet only. You can use these networks to transfer files including emails, calendar appointments, digital photos and music. Okay, now understand what is PAN, personal area network. It is used for communication among computer devices including telephone, mobile phones, personal digital assistants, and in other words, it can be defined as a network that is used for communicating among computer devices with close proximity of around a few meters only within a room. It can be used for communicating between the devices themselves or for connecting to a large number network. It constructed with cables or it can be wireless, USB, are firewire technologies linked together in PAN, and we can use Bluetooth and infrared connections also for PAN. Okay, next type of network is LAN. Full form of LAN is local area network. What is LAN? In LAN, two or more computers and peripheral devices are connected within a small area such as room, office, building or a campus. In local area network, computers' terminals are physically connected with wires. The data transmission speed is slow as compared to WAN. Since LAN is operated in a small area, it can be controlled and administered by a single person or an organization. Now there is the fact Wi-Fi stands for, okay, we are using Wi-Fi so many times, but we don't know the full form of Wi-Fi. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Wireless fidelity. It represents wireless local area network. It was developed for mobile computer devices like laptop, but is now used in PCs, video games, consoles, smartphones, tablets to exchange data wirelessly over the computer network. This technology enables radio signals to go further 300 feet approximately, okay, with a faster rate of transmission. Okay, understood about LAN. What is LAN? It's a local area network designed to operate a small physical area such as office, factory, group of building, Okay, it is usually privately owned and links the devices in a single office building or can be a campus or up to a few kilometers only in size. LAN is widely used to allow resources to be shared between personal computer or workstations. These resources to be shared can be hardware like printer, or software or data. It's found in many business organizations, links, work groups of task-related computers, in account, in finance, administrations, engineering workstations, and so many. Okay, now understood about LAN and PAN. Now next network is MAN. MAN, M-A-N, Metropolitan Area Network. What is MAN? MAN is a larger network than LAN. It is spread across a city. Since it covers a city, it is called metropolitan. The most common examples of MAN is the city cable network or branches of a local bank. Okay, understood about MAN? It's Metropolitan Area Network, a computer network in which two or more computers communicating devices or network that are geographically separated but in same metropolitan city are connected to each other. It is set up for larger geographical area than a LAN and ranging from several blocks of buildings to entire city. It might be owned and operated by a single organization, would be used by many individuals and organizations, and this is high-speed network to allow sharing resources. Now is WAN. Okay, WAN full form of Wide Area Network. This kind of network connects two or more computers located at distant places. Okay, they are linked by communication facilities like telecommunication or signals. The most common example of WAN type of network is telecom system. The uses of WAN is limited to very large organizations and government agencies. The main characteristics of WAN is that it requires a public telecommunication media to transfer data. Now the best example of WAN, Internet and Intranet in a large multinational company, ATM facility, national and multinational bank customer services. Okay, there is one, let's know more. Intranet. What is intranet? Is a term which refers to a computer network restricted to an organization. And extranet refers to a computer network that allows control access to an information resources available on internet. Okay, understood about all the types of network. First, we have discussed about PAN, then LAN, then MAN, and last WAN. Okay. Now, clear about WAN. It's kinds of network connect two or more computers located at distant places. Covers a large geographical area such as country, continent, or even whole the world. It is the biggest network in the world. WAN is two or more LANs can connect it together. Multiple LANs can be connected together using devices such as bridge, routers, gateways which enable them to share data. It is more suitable for transfer of data from one user to other, which is not a time critical application as large distance involve the propagation delays and problems with variable signal travel time. Airline reservation system is the example of that. Now we will discuss about difference between LAN and WAN. What are the differences between LAN and WAN? Now there is a two column. This is for LAN and this is for MAN. LAN is restricted to a limited geographical area. LAN computer terminals are physically connected with wires. Data speed is slow and few data transmission error occur. And in WAN covers greater distance and operates nationwide. in when computer terminals are not physically connected with wires. Okay, because it's a wide area network, so how can be it's connected with wires? So it can be and signals with Wi-Fi. Okay, data speed slow and its data speed is fast, and a few data transmission error occurs, and in when larger data transmission errors occurs. Now next topic is network security. Network security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. It is the most important aspect in computer networking. Our network should be secured. Networking security means protecting data resources from any unauthorized access. It is the most important aspect in computer networking. Since many users are accessing the same data, so we must ensure its proper security. Only an authorized person can access or modify data. Consider the following points that may happen in any organization. Like some employees may try to change the data concerning their leaves report, salaries and performance appraisal, etc. Accidental deletion of important data, and former employees or some other people may try to harm the company's data. People outside the company may try to access the confidential data. There are two general levels of network security. First, login security. We can secure our login with username and password. You can give in a unique login name and password. Okay, next is write security. Based upon your username, you are given rights like read-only access and read-write access or no access at all. We can choose any one option. Allow read-only, that user can only read this data, and allow read and write, they can read and write both. And disable USB disk detection, the USB cannot detect this file. Okay, any one option we can choose for our write security. A combination of rights can also be granted to the same user for different sets of data. Okay, now this is all about this lesson. Now recap points, we will revise. Recap points. A computer network can be defined as a group of computers and other peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. Networking in computers brings efficiency, economy, and effectiveness in an organization. To establish a wired network in a group of computers, you require the additional components such as network card, networking cable, modems, and hubs and switches. Modem enables us to connect your computer to the available internet connection over the existing telephone lines. PAN, LAN, and MAN and WAN are the various types of computer networks. Network security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. Okay children, now lesson is completed. Now I will give you homework for today. Open page number 13. Okay, exercise A, B, C we have done earlier. Now open page number 13 for question and answer.